This is the video on the Wagner Power Texture Sprayer. You really loved the other video. That was one of my very first videos I ever posted to this channel. Now that I have a better camera, better setup, and a much better channel, I hope to provide a lot more value to you in this. So come stick along. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, come check it out. Also, one other thing, I just got my very first investment property here. So a lot of the new projects that you're gonna end up seeing on this channel are gonna come from projects from this house. So remember to subscribe and follow along with that because I'm super excited about it and I know there will be a lot of really good, valuable information for you as well. Thanks. Just for a really quick rundown, this is what it looks like up close. You have your little 1-foot cable here, so you'll definitely need an extension cord no matter what. You have your actual trigger here. You have the nozzle here where you can adjust the spray amount, whether you want to focus or more splattered. You can also unassemble a lot of these, so it's really easy to clean. As you can see here, you can put some water straight through here. It's better to mix too much at first than too little so you have the same consistency across your entire room. That should probably be enough though. I'm doing a tiny little bathroom. It's almost like a pancake mixture now at this point. We're really, a little creamier than peanut butter. This is perfect for the texture gun. I just made the biggest mistake of them all. I didn't fill this up even close to as much as I thought I needed. I might be spraying out a little too much. Again, you can always practice this on something too and adjust this nozzle as needed. But yeah, let's go make some more mixture. So the last tool you're gonna need for this project is what's called a knockdown knife. And what it has is like this little rubber or silicone edge here. And what you do after you spray the texture, you let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes if you want it to be a little bit more flat, 15 or so if you want it to be a little thicker, a lot more contrast and levels and all that. More texture, I guess. And you just rub this very slightly at an angle like that, down until it's flat, and you go in multiple directions. You don't want to keep going in one, otherwise you'll start seeing stripes throughout your walls after it dries. Alright guys, and that's how you use the Wagner Power Texture Sprayer. You're just going to want to clean it off after you're done, unattach everything so you make sure you can clean it out really well. But as far as the sprayer itself goes, I've now done a couple bathrooms, several other walls, and it's worked great. The sprayer wasn't all that expensive. I will have a link for it here in the description below. I got off of Amazon like I get most of my stuff. I try to find the highest rated items, and most of the time they turn out pretty good. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one.